Hi, today I will show you how a software package works that allows you to securely delete files or folders, clean the registry and delete temporary files. When you are typically deleting a file in Windows, it does not completely disappear, but rather it is sent to the recycle bin and it is still kept in the registry. Since it can still be recovered, it means that it can pose several security issues, especially when the file in question contains sensitive information. Secure Eraser is a powerful utility that employs various algorithms to permanently delete files and folders from your computer. The interface is intuitive and suitable for all users, regardless of their experience with similar tools. You can get started by importing files and folders via either the file browser, tree view, or drag and drop method. The file queue displays the location of each item. The highlight of the tool stems from the fact that it supports 5 high-end deletion algorithms and shows a description for each of them. In addition, the program can securely overwrite previously removed items or drives and partitions file names of deleted files of the drive's master file table, or MFT, and the update sequence number journal, or USN journal, if it's active, on NTFS drives only. A further noteworthy feature is that the application can look into the Windows registry for any errors and fix them. Examples: ActiveX and COM entries, application paths, autorun objects, file extensions, shared files. Needless to state that the tool can also get rid of junk data from Windows, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and user-defined locations. From the settings area you can make the app ignore errors and confirm deletions, as well as to create the journal and deletion report. The app provides reports on all items that are erased, so if you are looking for something specific you can look it up in the logs. Unfortunately, it doesn't offer to create a system restore point, as well as to automatically generate backups of the Windows registry items before removing them. Nevertheless, Secure Eraser comes with some great tools that should work well with most users. See you next video, and now some music.